Hello everyone, my name is Alex and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my actually first ever video and I hope you enjoy it and you like it and subscribe it. Basically what we're trying to do here is to give you a little bit more information about the products we sell. We actually are approved distributors of the Liqui Moly products in United Kingdom, and hopefully with my help you will get a little bit more information of how to use the products, what they do and how they can help to your car. I really apologize about my English, it's not really good, but I'm trying my best. Today we're gonna start with the first video of Liqui Moly Super Diesel Additive. What it basically does is it does many things for your fuel system. First of all, it contains quite a few additives, which is cleans, protects your materials inside the fuel system, and it boosts the cetane number. The benefits of the product when you apply it is quite a few of them. It keeps the fuel system clean. It will keep injection nozzles clean as well, because as you know, when the nozzles or injectors are gone, they're gone and it's very expensive to replace them or to refurb them. So I would say this is one of the cheapest way to maintain your fuel system in generally. Yeah, so it's optimized the engine performance. It's, as I mentioned, boost the cetane number. It contains the additive against the corrosion, so it keeps the good corrosion protection. So, and it's quite high wear resistant. Yeah, so what we're going to do now, I will show you a short video of how easy it is to apply the product. This small bottle of 250 ml will be enough for 70 liters of your fuel. If it's a little bit less fuel, it's fine, it will be just a little bit stronger consistency. So the way to apply it, it will be easier when your tank is nearly empty. You pour the whole bottle in your fuel tank and you fill up the rest with the diesel. So you're gonna mixture a little bit better and then you just drive. It's for good practice, it's good to apply this product every 1200 miles. So I hope you're gonna enjoy the video after my speech and I'll see you later. Thank you.
Liqui Moly Super Diesel Additive is our hit product for diesel engines. When cold, even the very latest diesel engine can't hide its origins. When added every 2,000 kilometers, Liqui Moly Super Diesel Additive increases the inflammability of diesel fuel. It turns your diesel into a weasel. It starts more easily, runs more smoothly, and combustion is optimized. Liqui Moly, for maintaining your vehicle's technical and optical value. All from a single supplier.